For nearly 10 months, the lives of Americans have been consumed with the concern over the COVID-19 pandemic. Although we have been in the midst of this global crisis for quite some time, the United States is still seeing record high positive cases, hospitalizations, and deaths. As much as we may be fatigued by constant reminders from news and other media outlets, it is important that we take the necessary precautions and abide by CDC guidelines to overcome this tragedy.
The COVID-19 pandemic has resulted in more than 21 million positive cases and 350,000 deaths in the US alone.
On a global scale, there have been a total of 85 million positive cases and more than 1.8 million deaths. In Virginia, there have been close to 350,000 confirmed cases and 5,000 deaths. Closer to home in York County, which has a population of almost 68,000, just over 1.5 thousand people have tested positive for the virus. To put that into perspective, that is about the size of Grafton High School's teachers and staff. As a result of the pandemic, 41.3% of businesses reported that they were temporarily closed. A far more smaller number of 1.8% reported that they were permanently closed. As of mid-October, 6 in 10 independent schools were operating in person and just 5% were fully online, according to a survey by the National Association of Independent Schools. Pre-pandemic, private school enrollment has been on a slow decline. Currently, roughly 50.8 million students are enrolled in public schools, compared to just 5.8 million students in private schools, according to the Department of Education. Private schools, which generally have larger campuses, smaller classes, and greater autonomy, often have more flexibility when it comes to adhering to the standards of reopening this fall. Because of this pandemic, there has been a greater emphasis and need for the USPS in our day-to-day lives. According to a recent survey done by the USPS Market Research and Insights team, shows that 65% of respondents want to support the USPS during this time and feel that receiving mail lifts their spirits. 61% answered that receiving mail is extra special during social distancing. 54% of respondents felt more connected to people through mail.
As individuals in this society, we can each do a few little things to stop the spread of COVID-19. 1. Wash your hands regularly with soap and water. 2. Avoid touching your face and cover your mouth when you're coughing or sneezing. And also, avoid going out when you are sick. 3. Practice social distancing by limiting travel and contact with large groups of people. 4. When and if you go out, wear a mask properly, covering your mouth and your nose. 5. Stay informed and listen to those with degrees in medicine. Stay safe.